Hey everyone, this is Rachel from Songbird Crafts Inc., formerly Stamping Songbird. I have a question for you. Have you ever been stuck for ideas on card making? Well, Hero Arts has got you covered. Did you know that they have a partnership with Joanns Fabrics? They sure do. So they have some card making kits that you can get online, but guess what? I went to Joann's recently and these card kits were on the shelves. I couldn't believe it. Not only were they on the shelves, but they were on sale. So I'm going to show you what I got from Joann's. To start with, I got this kit called Make a Wish. So you could get these kits on Joann's site. I think they were on like $32.99 or something around that price, but I got this for $16 on sale. Now let me show you what comes in this kit. So inside you get the card that gives you the information. So Make a Wish. It even gives you directions on how to cut your cardstock to create a basic A2 size card. On the opposite side, it shows you what's in the kit. So this kit comes with a 4x6 clear stamp set, frame cuts, streamer 6x6 stencil, glitter hero paste, silver embossing powder, clear embossing and watermark ink cube, birthday hero hues enamel dots, 2 sheets of paradise cardstock, 2 of ultra pink, and 2 of lemon. So I'm going to show you what's inside, and then I'll show you the other kits that I got. So here are the enamel dots. Here's some of that cardstock. Now you get 6 pieces, 2 of each, but I have already used one of the blue sheets. So you get 6. Here's the stamp set. Isn't that a great stamp set? Great big bold wording, hooray, wish, birthday, yay, and you get the dies too. Here's the stencil. You can tell I haven't cleaned it since I used it, but here is the stencil. So these are banners or streamers, and here are the 3. So here's the glitter paste, Hero Arts glitter paste, which you can just go right over the stencil with. Here is the embossing watermark clear cube and some silver embossing powder. This is a lot for $16. It's a lot for $32 or 32 something and change. This is a lot. I mean, a stencil alone can cost you, I don't know, $7, maybe a little more depending where you shop. The stamp set alone could be anywhere from $10 to $20, and the cardstock, great quality from Hero Arts, and enamel dots, which I love. The second kit that I got is called Hello There. Now, it's a make yourself at home card kit from Hero Arts, and it comes with a ton of stuff. So let's grab the card. Again, it comes with directions, some samples. On the back, it shows you everything that comes in the kit. So let's go through it. Here's the stamp set, Hello There, with lots of great small sentiments. So there are no die cuts for these sentiments, but just for Hello There, which is great. You can make a nice big statement in the front. Some clear enamel dots. Love these because they look like raindrops. Here is a stencil, and this one is called Stripe, 6x6 stencil. We've got some great cardstock, again, 2 of each color. So these are called Cherry, Berry Pink, Paradise, and Peacock. So we got the peacock in the other kit, and I think also the berry. Still not done. $16. So we've got some Hero pearls. So if you have liquid pearls or clear enamel dots or from other companies, they basically do the same thing. You can make your own dots with this in teal, my favorite color. And we've got 2 cubes of Hero Hues Reactive Ink, Pool Party and Taffy. Oh, actually 3 cubes and Splash. So you've got 3 of these, and you have a Hero Arts blending brush. Fantastic. All of this for just $16. Okay, kit number 3. This one is called, oh, let's see, I can't even see. Oh, this one's called Thank You. So let's check out the kit. Again, instructions, and you've got some samples on what it would look like. It's got this cute little vase, and then these flowers, and then some more samples, and then it gives you what's inside the kit. So let's check it out. Ooh, we've got some hero transfers. Aren't these cute? I love this envelope here. So we've got hero transfers. Again, we've got some enamel dots. These are in different blues, teals up to light blue. Very cute. And here is the main image, which is a vase with flowers and great sentiments, birthday wishes. For you, sending smiles, miss you, thank you, just because, get well soon. And there is a die for the main image. Fantastic. Oh, look at these colors. All right, so here are the colors. Oh, I love these colors together. So here we have Bermuda Mist. So it's Bermuda Mist, Amethyst, and Passion Flower. Bermuda Mist, Amethyst, and Passion Flower. And you get 2 of each, which means you can make 8 cards. And we have some more of the hero hues. 3 cubes. I mean, these alone, I don't know how much these run. Maybe $6 each. Already here, you've got $18, and I paid $16 for this entire kit. So we've got blue raspberry, which matches that pretty well, creamsicle, and thistle. So again, 8 sheets of beautiful, high quality cardstock. 3 hero hues reactive. That means that you can splash water on it and it'll give you the little it'll react to the water. It looks like splashes. And then we have the clear stamp set with the die for the main image. We have some enamel dots, and we have hero transfers. All of this for $16 on sale. Normally it's about 30 something bucks if you get it on their website. Okay, now here's the last kit. I got all 4 kits that I found at the store. Each of them were $16. Again, they run double that or a little more than double that if you get them online, but these were on clearance. So this one is called, let's see, because I have not looked through this one. This one's called Congrats. So this is for graduation season, which is happening right now. And let's go through the card. Again, directions on how to cut your cardstock to make a card. Here are some samples, and then here is what comes in the kit. So let's see. Oh, this is a big one. So we have the Congrats and Yay stamp and cut, which are extra large. They're actually written down as extra large. And then you have the sentiments. This is a lot of sentiments. Baby girl, baby boy, to the happy couple, you did it. So it's not just graduation, because it's congrats, baby girl, beyond happy for you, you go girl, there's marriage, best of luck, you're a star, new home, engagement, so many different reasons that you can send a congratulations card. So here's that one set. This alone, whew, definitely worth it. Oh boy, here's another big piece. This is what a steal. So a giant cling background stamp. It's got these hexagon shapes. I'm looking for the name. I don't see a name for it. Let's see what the card says. Overlapping hexagons, bold print cling stamp. That's a lot. So overlapping hexagons, that's fantastic. That's really worth a lot. All right, let's check out this cardstock. Whoa, glitter cardstock. Oh, ooh, silver, gold, and some black glitter. There's only one of each. That means you gotta use it sparingly. And then we have just 2 sheets of black and 2 sheets of white, all Hero Arts paper. Okay, not done yet. We've got 3 more items to go. Wow, this is worth so much more than what I got it for. So here's some Hero Hues pigment in Onyx Black. So it's just a little ink pad. And then here's some clear embossing powder. We got silver in the other one. We got some, what was the other one called? Glitter paste. So got a lot of great products. And then we have another Hero Arts pearls in silver. all of this for 16 bucks. So if you struggle with ideas for cards, get yourself a kit at Joann's. You can go online, you can go into your local Joann's and see what they have. Hero Arts is a great company. It is one of my favorites, and I really like the fact that you can just go to Joann's and get their things. Again, the kits have samples, directions. I think it's worth it. So here was the first one, the congrats kit. Just gonna put that to the side. Well, that wasn't the first one, that was one of them. The thank you kit. The hello there kit. I mean, come on, came with a brush and everything, amazing. And the Make-A-Wish kit. 4 kits, I got them all half what they usually run for. Run to your Joann's and see if they've got these, or check them out online. I think they're absolutely worth it. You cannot go wrong with Hero Arts. They're amazing. Check them out. Until next time, happy crafting. Bye.